Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this comprehensive guide, we will show you how to invite others to Telegram externally. By following these simple steps, you can easily share the Telegram app with your friends and family. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once the app opens, look for the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. This icon represents the menu. Tap on it to access the Telegram options. Step 3. Inside the menu, you'll find various options. Look for Invite Friends among the available choices and tap on it. Step 4. After tapping on Invite Friends, you'll be presented with several sharing options. Tap on Share Telegram to proceed. Step 5. Now, you have the freedom to choose how you want to share Telegram externally. You can select various sharing methods, such as sending an invitation link through a messaging app, sharing it on social media, or any other preferred method. By following these steps, you can easily invite others to join Telegram from external sources, expanding your network and connecting with more people. Sharing Telegram externally allows you to introduce friends, family, and colleagues to the benefits of this powerful messaging platform. Whether it's for personal or professional use, inviting others to Telegram can enhance your communication and collaboration. So why wait? Start inviting others to Telegram today and enjoy the seamless and secure messaging experience it offers. Connect with others, share moments, and stay connected wherever you are. We hope you found this full guide on inviting others to Telegram externally helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help you. Thank you for watching and enjoy expanding your Telegram connections with external invitations